In this video, I'll be showing you how Kivy Events actually work. Let's get right into it. If this is your first time here, you want to learn the code, then do start now by subscribing now to the channel and hit bell so you miss some future videos. Okay, so in this video, I'll be teaching you how Kivy Events work. So which means, once a button or whatever is pressed, we want a certain event to happen. So the first thing we need to do is handle the inputs from Kivy. As I just don't want to bore you just watching me type, that I'm just going to copy and paste. As you can see, I have not used any new Kivy import. I've imported the app class, the button, the label, and the box layout. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is create our app class. So you're typing class my app. Here's from the app def build self. We're just going to type and return because we're not going to return anything at the moment. Now say my app dot run. Okay, so let us run our Kivy app to see what it looks like. Of course, there's nothing on it because we haven't added anything. Now we want to add stuff, and we need to create our own layout class, which inherits from this box layout class. Okay, so here typing class my layout from the box layout. Now we're here, we need to define an init method, typing def init self equals super init. So make sure you have 2 underscores with init. So when you're using init, you have to have 2 underscores at the beginning and 2 underscores at the end. Otherwise, without this, it's not going to work. So now here we need to add self.button. So we do need to add a button that means self.button equals button. The text equals press me. The self.button button.bind. And we want things to happen once that button is pressed. So on press equals, and here we're just going to add function for now. Now we need to add this widget. So self.add underscore widget, and we want to add the button. Now we do need a function for this on press. So here, so let's go also this initialize method, and here type in def new underscore label, and it needs self and e button. Now we just want to say self.label equals label, and let's set the text, and we can say something like my new label. And here we just want to say self.add widget self.label. Now from this we need to change this from function to new label. Now instead of having to return nothing inside our app class, we're going to return our layout by typing return my layout. So let's run our program. Oh, we get an error. It has to be self. Sorry, my bad. Now type in self.new label. Let's close this. Now run it. You can see we get this button. When we press it, it's going to give us a new label. We can always keep pressing it until we get new labels. You can press this however you want, but that we get new labels. Now, what if we don't want so many labels appearing once we click that button? Well, we can fix that by going to the new label function, typing self.remove underscore widget, and let's say self.button. So we're going to remove the button when the user clicks the button. It's going to bring a new label. Let's run that. And when we press it, we get my new label. Now if I remove this instance, I'll just comment this out. We get my new label every time we press this. So let me just remove that. And there we have it, our new label. So guys, that's it for today. So thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial quite useful, then like if I appreciate it, it does help me out. And do subscribe now and hit the bell so I miss some future videos. If you have any questions about Kivy events or other comments, then feel free to leave them down in the comments. I will answer you. And otherwise, that's it from me today. Cheers and goodbye.